how to keep the clock visible on the iPhone 14 lock screen. If you want quick access to the clock without unlocking your iPhone, here's how to customize your lock screen. First, lock your iPhone and wake the screen. Next, touch and hold the lock screen until the wallpaper selection screen appears. Tap Customize. Now, select Lock Screen. Tap the clock to change its font and appearance. Choose the clock style you like, then adjust the color if you want. You can also tap the widgets area below the clock to add useful information such as weather, calendar, battery, or other supported widgets. Once you're finished, tap Done in the top right corner. Your customized lock screen will now show the clock and widgets whenever you wake your iPhone. Keep in mind that the standard iPhone 14 doesn't have the hardware required for Apple's true always-on display, so there is no setting you can turn on to turn the key on. If you want the screen to stay on longer while you're using the phone, you can go to Settings, tap Display and Brightness, then Auto Lock, and choose a longer duration. And that's it. This is how you can customize the lock screen clock on your iPhone 14, even though always-on display isn't supported. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.